This is a chicken. We all immediately think of them as food. From our all-time favorite snacks to main courses, and even associated with a lot of styles and how to cook and serve it. But have you wondered what is going on inside their bodies? Come on, let's take a trip to Chicken Off Poultry Farm.
Chickens, or the Gallus domesticus. Despite being flightless, they are still considered as avian creatures because of having distinct features the same that other birds have, such as beaks, feathers, and wings. Just like any other organism, chickens need to maintain their internal equilibrium in order to survive. This is what you call as homeostasis. It is the ability of an organism to maintain their internal conditions from the external changes of their environment. This helps the organism to survive and to have a literally balanced state inside the body. With chickens, they even share some same qualities with that of humans in order to maintain homeostasis. But they also possess some unique bodily features fit for their own survival in their own habitat.
The respiratory system.
Same with humans, the respiratory system absorbs oxygen and gets rid of carbon dioxide inside a chicken's body.
Chickens have 2 lungs and a windpipe, just like humans.
Oxygen flows with the breathing of the chicken and goes through 9 sacs and comes back out from the lungs and to the nose,
Birds have more efficient gas exchange compared to humans.
which makes them unique because it helps in cooling their body temperature where they adapt to the tropical climate like we have in the Philippines. It also provides buoyancy because their lungs are filled with air, which helps the chicken float, one case of maintaining homeostasis, when it flies so as they have enough oxygen to sustain.
The endocrine system. The posterior pituitary gland is responsible for the production of arginine-based cytosine, a hormone, and stores oxytocin, which both plays part in the release of the yolk into the oviduct and the actual laying of the egg or oviposition. Meanwhile, the thyroid gland produces triiodothyronine, a hormone which takes part in the development of their skin and feathers. Chickens are homeothermic. This is another attribute in chickens which homeostasis is achieved, where they maintain a relatively constant body temperature, adapting to their surrounding environment with the help of their skin and feathers. And it can even protect them from the rain.
Now let us proceed to the digestive system. The digestion begins in the mouth as they begin to peck the food. They are omnivores. Chickens use their beaks to break down food. A small bit of saliva and lipase enzyme is added as they swallow food down to the esophagus. As a response, treating this disease is administered in the drinking of water with boxytyrine, penicillin, and lycomycin. These antibiotics help the chicken by killing the bacteria causing the infection, thus achieving balance once again. Food then proceeds to the stomach, which is also known as the gizzard. They are responsible for physically grinding food by using the grit, which are small hard particles like pebbles or sand. The food then proceeds to the small intestine, nutrients are absorbed, and proceeds to the intestinal tract to digest more food. This remaining residue passes through the cloaca, where the chicken's urine, the white in chicken droppings, mixes with the waste. The waste exits the chicken at the vent, the external opening of the cloaca.
The excretory system.
The main organ of the excretory system is the kidney. The functional units in the kidney are the nephron. These filter the blood, and a tubule returns needed substances in the blood and removes wastes. When the kidneys are diseased or damaged and unable to carry out their functions efficiently, the animal becomes debilitated and death often occurs quickly. So kidneys are very important to chicken for homeostasis. To manage the acid-base balance or maintain the electrolyte balance of the chicken's body, maintain the water balance, and eliminate metabolic wastes, particularly nitrogen products of metabolism.
The integumentary system.
Chickens has its own unique way to maintain their body temperature. Where humans have sweat glands to maintain their body temperature, but chickens don't have. And this is what we call thermoregulation, where they can withstand hot temperatures. When there is a high temperature, it involves evaporation of water for the surfaces of their lungs. It also provides cooling mechanism to the body as heat is exerted and will automatically adjust to the current situation. That is why water is very essential to the chickens to maintain their body temperature.
All these systems work together for the survival of our poultry friend, I hope you learned a lot from this video brought to you by Chicken Off Poultry Farm.